Hello again, welcome to another video review, and today I'd like to show you this lovely little Ford Fiesta 1.25 Zetec on a 66 plate, finished in the grey metallic. Lovely colour, nice low mileage car in lovely condition. It's got the privacy glass on the back, nice alloys. Nice and clean inside. Plenty of room in the back. It's got front and rear parking sensors, which makes it easy to park. Decent amount of boot space. Under there is your blow-up kit, and the all-important locking wheel nut tool is there. It's the last of the 1.25 engine, 4-cylinder petrol, which is arguably a better engine, well proven. Controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors, the folding mirrors as well if you press that button there. 2 remote keys, lighting controls, adjustable height driver's seat. $21,000 miles service history with that. We'll have a fresh service and MOT on it as well before it goes out. Air conditioning, that's all working, all blowing nice and cold. DAB radio, Bluetooth function so you can connect your phone. 12-volt socket, auxiliary socket, USB socket so you can connect to devices. Conventional handbrake. That's got sat nav as well, this one. Map there. Sat nav as well, which is nice. So sat nav, Bluetooth, very useful. Aircon, DAB, all heated front windscreen as well. That's a good one. That's from that button there. That's handy for the winter. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice little Fiesta with a lovely low mileage, super condition, good colour. Very smart looking car. That ticks all the boxes. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thank you again for watching.